Hi ladies, here we have some forehead collagen face patches for wrinkles. As you get older, sometimes you get these fine lines that you really want to diminish. So these are great for that. Always remember to consult with your dermatologist before using any product. So the way to use it is first you wash your face. You make sure you pat dry and it's pretty dry. And then you just put one of these on. So each pack comes with 20. You make sure that you separate it from the and then you just go ahead and place it on. You put it on for 20 to 40 minutes. Great to use for your bedtime regimen after you wash your face. You leave it on for overnight. Also, you could put it in the fridge and then just put lukewarm water on it right before you put it on. Don't freeze it. And remember, beauty requires time, so you make sure you use this for a couple of nights. It comes with 20, and then you'll start seeing the results of the fine lines diminishing over time.